Hey, it's another little Wayne bite, just a little taste of this and that, and today I woke up with a craving for cherry pie. So I went to the grocery store and I got some Washington cherries and I got to work. First, my go-to pie crust. 2½ cups of flour, 12 tablespoons of icy cold butter, and 6 ounces of cream cheese. Blend it until the dough comes together, and that's it. Divide it into 2 flattened discs and refrigerate them for an hour. If you want to get creative, divide 1 disc in half, and to 1/2 mix in the pulp and juice of 2 shredded cherries, 6 drops of food coloring, and a little more flour. Stem and pit about 6 cups of cherries and slice them in half. That should yield about 5 cups. Put them in a bowl, add 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of corn starch, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix that thoroughly and set it aside for 30 minutes. Roll out the large crust and transfer it to a pie pan. Gently press it into place, allowing the sides to drape over. Using a slotted spoon, add the cherries, leaving behind any extra liquid. Dot the filling with 2 tablespoons of diced butter. And for the top crust, roll out both smaller pieces and cut 1-inch strips using a knife or one of these fancy little pastry wheels. Then overlap the pieces, crisscrossing to create a lattice work over the filling. Trim off the excess dough, then crimp the edges together and make a decorative edge. Then brush the crust with a little milk. You can use dough scraps to add other additional elements if you like. Also, sprinkle a bit of sugar on top as well. Bake for 15 minutes at 425 degrees, then reduce the heat to 375 and bake for an additional 50 to 55 minutes, or until golden brown. Remove from oven and let it rest for an hour before slicing. When you serve it up, it's great with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. So good. The recipe is in the details section below. Be sure to like this video and add your comments too if you like. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more recipes like this, craft projects, travel tips, and a whole lot more. We'll see you next time.